Today we are excited to launch 3 new products that will change the way you travel: the NOMATIC garment bag and 2 new toiletry bags. At NOMATIC, we make the most functional bags ever to inspire confidence for people who live life on the move. We are here to support the movers and makers, people who hustle, and that are fueled by a passion for greatness in all aspects of life. Over 50,000 people now carry at least one of our 6 NOMATIC bags every day or for travel. This is our 7th Kickstarter campaign, and we are humbled by the incredible support we continue to receive from backers all over the world. We love hearing reviews like this.
I can't even articulate how amazing this product is. It was like freaking psychics designed it and knew exactly what I would need in advance. Every pocket, pouch, and compartment made perfect sense. Brett Parker.
It's no question that people love the quality, function, and versatility of our products. Even our original wallet supporters will likely never look back. We thank you for believing in us. Okay, enough about the past. Let's take a look at the 3 newest additions to the NOMATIC family. First, we will walk through the toiletry bags. We all have different needs. Toiletries come in all shapes and sizes, and we all pack differently. So we decided to create 2 separate bags, the NOMATIC toiletry bag, and at about half the size, the NOMATIC toiletry bag slim. Let's dive in and see what features set these accessories apart. Both the toiletry bags are made with strong, waterproof tarpaulin materials and zippers to keep liquids contained. An adjustable strap and hook system allow the toiletry bag to hang almost anywhere, keeping you organized and giving you easy access to the inside. The transparent waterproof pockets give visibility to the inside and were designed to open without all your stuff falling out. Additionally, you will find a third pocket made of non-transparent material for more sensitive items. Interior dividing walls of the toiletry bag were designed to push away to allow for larger items to fit inside. On the exterior of both bags, you will find a dedicated toothbrush pocket lined with waterproof material, making it easy to clean. And on the exterior of the larger toiletry bag, you also get a dedicated toothpaste pocket. These toiletry bags have everything you need to stay organized while not sacrificing easy access or visibility. We are confident that they will make the perfect companion for your next trip. Now, let's take a look at the NOMATIC garment bag. If you have never used a garment bag before, this bag is about to change the way you travel. If you have, you know how incredibly convenient it is for those who travel with a suit, dress shirts, dress pants, dresses, or really anything you don't want to wrinkle. Let's take a look at some of the features that set the NOMATIC garment bag apart. This bag was designed to keep your nicer clothes protected from the elements with durable water-resistant materials and zippers. Inside, the main compartment fully unzips to give you a wide-open view of the garment section. Simply hang the clothes for your trip, then zip it up to start organizing all your other accessories. There are pockets for shoes that can easily fit up to size 13, a place for ties, belts, a watch, cufflinks, or any other small items to help you look sharp. There are 2 ways to carry. Once you're packed, zip it up and either put on the shoulder strap or load it onto your roller luggage handle to make your travels a little more comfortable. So, as you can see, the NOMATIC garment bag and the NOMATIC toiletry bags are perfect for those who live life on the move. We can't wait to see where the NOMATIC garment bag and toiletry bags take you.
This is the Bayfield Bags Men's Black Leather Toiletry Bag or Shaving Dopp Case. It has double stitch seams and heavy duty zippers to last for years. It has a roomy upper compartment and separate bottom zippered compartment with mesh storage separators to store additional toiletry accessories. You can find this bag on Amazon by searching for Bayfield Bags Toiletry Bag.
Prefer high-quality accessories when you're traveling? Strong sewings, metal zipper pulls, perfect finishes? You have them all with the BOA K Extra Large Toiletry Bag. It keeps your toiletries perfectly organized while making your journeys safe and carefree. It's waterproof and washing resistant and has a sturdy 360 degrees rotating metal hook, so you can hang it anywhere you want. It comes in multiple colors, suitable for any woman or man. A perfect gift for you or your friends. Cool and multifunctional. An essential accessory for an avid traveler. Choose your BOA K toiletry bag.
Welcome to the Revelry Supply Luggage Tech Guide. Since 2015, Revelry has established itself as an industry leader for odor-absorbing and water-resistant luggage. Our attention to detail, matched with high-quality materials and rigorous testing, has positioned us as the most reputable luggage brand in our category. So how does a Revelry bag work? It's all about the layers. First, each bag has a nylon or cotton canvas exterior that has a heavy-duty rubber backing. The rubber backing, that is invisible from the outside, works as our first line of defense by creating odor containment and resistance to water. Then we have our carbon filter system, which runs through the entirety of each bag we make. The carbon filter system has 3 separate layers. The 2 outer white layers are synthetic filters, and the middle layer is activated charcoal that is highly porous, allowing for ideal molecular adsorption. Combined, these layers create a filtration system that soak up all unwanted odors. The final layer is our twill lining. Although at first it looks solely cosmetic, the lining actually protects the filter system from wear and tear, allowing the bag to have greater longevity. Lastly, all our bags use premium quality waterproof zippers that further odor containment and repel water. Through containment and absorption, Revelry has designed luggage that works as great as it looks. Feel confident knowing that your Revelry bag is there to protect.
Hi, I'm Nick Cust, and these are Dopp sacks. The Dopp sack is our premium waterproof toiletry and accessory bag. It's made from 500D TPU-coated Cordura fabric and assembled using high-frequency welding. It's available in small or large sizes and several color options. The outside features a splash-proof zippered pocket and a high-quality nylon handle, making it easy to carry or hang. The inside has an elastic mesh dividing pocket. Dopp sack's main compartment closes with an airtight waterproof zipper that seals out water, snow, sand, dust, and mud, or seals in leaks and spills. It also floats. For more information, please see our listing.